Hey there, welcome back. In today's video, I'll be guiding you through the process of building an online gaming website from scratch using WordPress. I'll be demonstrate how to embed games into a website from the third-party website and how to make it playable on our own website. Also, we will make it dynamic using ACF, and we'll be using the more plugins to that are required to build this kind of website. So let me give you a quick preview of what our website will look like. So let's get started. So this is the website that we are going to create through this tutorial. Now this is our the header section. So on the header you will see a nice animated logo. This time I just placed an animated logo instead of the static logo. So this actually looks good if you compare the normal logo with this animated one. Okay. And on the right hand side you will see basic pages that I have shown. The first one is your default home, and the second one is a disclaimer, and the third one is a privacy policy. So you can extend these menu items you can also show some categories of the games, okay, or the blog, etc. Now below it you will see a nice heading over here, and there below you will see a stock bar. This time I used Fibo Ajax search bar. So the reason behind using it is that if you type the keyword, okay, you will see a list of the post or the games that comes with the thumbnail, the title and the description, okay. And if you click on it, it will be the particular post will be open, okay. Now below it you will see some categories. I just created 4 to 5 categories in this website, and I have added an hover effect. If you just move your cursor on these buttons, you will see these buttons are moving in the Y direction, and this is completely achieved by using the Elementor, okay. Below it you will see some most played games section, where I use this nice slider which slides the post, okay, from the right to left. So basically these are completely customizable, so you can change these navigation button colors, okay. You can also design your just borders, okay. You can also change these indicators as well, okay. So basically this slider adds an additional nice look to this website, or you can say it increases the user experience, okay. And below it you will see a vacant space for the ad placement. So if you are the registered from any publisher, then you can show the ads over here, okay, and you can earn from the ads. And below it you will see a newly added games. This is nothing but the post that I am showing 4 to 12 posts in this section. So whenever the new games will be added, or we will post new games, they will show, those games will be automatically showed over here. And below it I just created the 3 columns, okay, showcasing the 3 different categories like adventure, and below it you will see some 3 to 4 posts related to these categories, and after that action categories you will see some post related to it, okay. And similarly for the sports category, and at the end you will see a nice footer area, and this is completely designed by using the header and footer builder plugin that is free to use. And here I use this log as it is, just and show some show single para here discussing about the website. These are the category links, okay, and these are some other links like home as similar to this header, okay, and showing some social icons, that is Facebook, Twitter and YouTube. So this is the preview of our home page. Now let's move on to the detail page of the post game. So let's play a game. I'm opening my favorite game. This is a play knife flip online. Okay, so click on it. Okay, after clicking we will have our detail post view. Now inside it I just created the 3 column. Okay, in the first column I just show the featured image of this game, some game details and more game details, that is a gainer, plays and popularity. And basically these all informations are connected by the SEO, okay, to make the website dynamic. After that, this is the HTML editor actually, okay, where I just copied the embed code from a third-party website, okay, so that we can play the games online. And in the third column I just listed the 2 force games, and below it I have left and wagon space for the ad placement. So this is done intentionally because when the user will engage these games, okay, for a long duration of time, so indirectly we will get indirectly this ad will get more impressions. So the more impressions, more earning. Okay, so in this way we can easily earn from the ad networks. And below it you will see the play more games, where I just listed all of the games that are available in our website. Okay, so these are some 5 to 20 games are listed. So when the user will click any of the game, he will redirect to our the page, and that particular game will be played. Okay. Now let's play our game. So okay, now here is the ad placement. So this is the ad that comes from the third-party website. Okay, sometimes it comes with the time duration like 3 to 4 seconds. After that we can skip, or sometimes it comes like this. Okay, so just close this ad, and here is the interface of the game. Each game will have the different interface. Now let's play these games. Okay, so this is our website, and I just showcase you the functionalities of the website. So further in procedures I will explain once we start creating this website. Okay, so this is the website that we are going to create in this video. I will explain the further procedures once we start the creating this website, and make sure that and ensure you that you will have fun while creating and developing this kind of website. So just follow the steps that I have done in this tutorial, and please sit tight on your chair and just stay till the end of this video. So without further ado, let's begin the tutorial. So before starting the video, let me introduce some points that I am going to cover throughout this tutorial. The very first step is that installing and setting the WordPress on the server. Okay, the second we will just install and activate the basic theme. After that we will install and activate the required plugins. The plugins I will discuss those plugins throughout the video. After that we will create the categories for the game post. After creating the game post, we will just create the menu for our website. Then we will set up our header, and then we will set up and create our footer. Then we will create the single game post template. This is the very important part. And after that we will start creating the game post for all the categories. Then finally we will just start our designing homepage. And the very last we will create the category post template for our category The very first thing is to set up our server to install the WordPress, and by using it we can easily create and design our website. So basically we have two type of servers. The first one is a localhost server, which is freely available, and I need to install it on our own PC by using XAMPP or WAMP. Okay, and the second one is a live server, which is that we have to pay for it, and they are available in a plans on the various hosting companies. So if you are looking for the reliable and cheap hosting, then just go through the link that I have placed in the video description. There you will get a nice hosting plans, okay, with SSDs. So this time I'm going to use the localhost server. It's up to you. You can directly start creating website on the live server without wasting on time on the localhost. Okay, so as you can see, I have the credentials of the localhost server. That because I got this because I have already done the process of installing WordPress on the localhost server. If you complete the process or installing the WordPress, then you will also get this kind of credentials, that is a username and the password. By using this you can easily access your dashboard of the WordPress. So right now I'm going to skip this website. So right now I'm going to skip the step of setting the localhost on the system and then install the WordPress on it, because it will take time, and I'm going to upload the video to that showing the complete guide on. Then I'm going to upload the video showing the complete guide on how to set up the localhost on our system, and then how to install the WordPress on it. Okay, so that time you will get the better idea about it. Okay, so let's move on to the next step. After login, we are now inside the dashboard of the website. Okay, now the very first, just we have to install a basic theme. So go to appearance, go to themes, and click on the add new, search for the Ocean WP. Okay, and click on the install. So this is actually my favorite theme. I use this theme frequently on my projects, as it is a very optimized and SEO friendly. Okay, so click on the activate button. Okay, right now so our theme is active. Now we will install the required plugins. So in this I'm going to install the 3 to 4 plugins over here. Throughout this video I will explain the use of a particular plugins. Right now we just install it and activate the plugin in this website. Just go to plugins, click on the add new plugin. Okay, after that's the very first is to our Elementor. Just install it. Side by side we will install the Elementor header and footer builder. So let them finish installing, then we will install the another, that is the Pro element for this Elementor. Basically the use of the Pro element is to unlock all the advanced features of the Elementor without installing Elementor Pro. Okay, so go to the plugins, click on the add new and the upload plugin. Okay, so I'm going to upload the Pro elements. Click on the install now button, just to unlock all the Elementor Pro features. Okay, this plugin is freely available under GPL license. I will drop the link of that plugin. Okay, just go through the link and download the plugin for free. Now Okay, so we have Elementor, Elementor header and footer, and Pro Elements activated. And the another is we have to install. Now search for the raw HTML. Okay, so this could be the new for you, but just stay with the video. You will know why I'm going to install this plugin. Just click on the install. Okay, the another plugin is to our that is Fibo search for the Ajax search enable. Okay, after that we are going to install the unlimited elements. Okay, for the Elementor. So this is the unlimited, just install it. Now just go to the install plugin. Inside it we will activate all the plugins, okay, at a time. Just click on the Elementor, this and this, then bulk options, select and activate it. Click on the apply. So here our all plugins are activated successfully. Now we will move on to the next step. The next step is to create the menu. For that we are going to create the pages. The pages will be home page, the privacy policy and the disclaimer. Okay, so just click on the add new page. And the very first page is to home. Here our designing process will be done. So click on the Elementor full width, select the template tab as a Elementor full width and click on the publish. Now create the another page. So here we already have the privacy policy, so click on the quick edit and just change its draft to publish. Okay, and rest just keep it as is, so we don't have to work on these pages. Now the another page is to disclaimer or blog. So this time I'm going to create the page as a blog. Okay, and you can change the template here from the default template to the Elementor, but right now I'm going to keep as it is. So click on the publish. So all the pages we have created successfully. Now just go to appearance, go to menu and then create the new menu, that is main menu. Click on this main. Okay, just check this box as a main. Okay, then here you will see most recent pages. Just click on the home, or you can click on viewer, then you will get all the pages. Okay, then add to menu. Click on the save menu. So this menu is for the header bar. Okay, now we will create the menu for the categories of the game post. So for that we have to create the categories. Okay, first, then we can able to create the menu for the categories. Then click on the first and go to categories. Here we will add the categories for the game post. So actually we have categories. So So let's copy those categories. Okay, the first is action, second is adventure, first is action. Okay, then adventure, then puzzle and logic, sports, then strategy. Okay, so we have all the categories. Now just go to appearance, click on the menu, then again just create the new menu here. So this menu basically will this menu we are going to put at the footer area. Okay, so click on the category menu, just left these check marks as it is, don't click on anyone. Okay, then create the menu. After creating menu, you will just open this categories tab, click on the view and select the categories that you want to show over there. Okay, then click to add menu and click on the save menu. Okay, so we have two menu. The first one is a main and the second one is a category menus. Okay, now we'll move on to the next step. The next step we have creating the header section. Okay, to customize the header, just go to the appearance and click on the customize, or just simply click here, just hover this website name and you will see a view site. Just hold the control and click on it, it means your website will open. So right now it's showing some error, don't worry, we will fix it. Okay, so here the error is gone now. So you can see here this is the by default theme or the template that is already applied. Okay, but we want to design it by ourselves using Elementor, so we need to change this page, okay, this static page, to our home page that we have created in these pages. So this is the home page and we are going to change this with this. Okay, so click on the customize. Here you will see a homepage settings. Okay, so and by default it is selected your latest post. Okay, just click on your static page and select the home page. Here you will see a list of pages that you have created. So right now I'm going to use this home page, okay, for our front page. So it is changed. Now you will see a title over here, so and the bar. So we have to remove these things. To remove those things, just go to the general options. First of all, we will remove the title, page title, and just it is showing visibility to on all devices. Just click on the hide on devices. So the title is gone. Now the time is to hide this content from the top bar. Just go back and click on the top bar. Okay, and here the general, just untick this enable top bar. Okay, so the top bar is also gone. Now we have this header showing this is the logo. Okay, this is our menu and this is the icon of the search. So we don't need this icon over here, so to hide it, just go back. So go to header and go to menu. After that you will see an option this search icon. Okay, so here by default will be a drop down. You have to just disable it. Okay, click on it, and you will see the search bar icon is now gone. So right now we have to just add the logo over here. Okay, after that our menu is ready. Okay, home page is ready, and then we will further move to design our footer area. Now let's add a logo over here. Okay, so before adding a logo we have to just match the color of the header with this website color. Okay, so to add, just copy the color code that you have. Okay, so I have this color code. After that, go to customize, and here the color is by default color is white, so change it to, so let's change this that color to our desired color. Okay, now go to general. You will see a background color. Here is the background color. Click on it and change the hex code with your desired color. Okay, so here we have our color. Now again we have to change the menu item color as well. So go back and click on this menu. You will see a link color, so change it to white. Okay, also we have to change the hover color. The hover we will just set it by default white. Okay, and after that we have to add a animation on this hover. Like if we hover this item, a line will move from left to right just underneath. So this effect we can add here very easily. Okay, so here is the link effect. Okay, so you will have a lot of options of the animation, so just select anyone. Right now I'm going to underline down. So it's not underline down, it's actually a underline from left. Okay, and change its color to white. Now you will see the hover effect is applied. After that we will add an animated logo here. Now go back and click on this logo, click on the select logo. Okay, select. So basically I have a GIF file for the animated logo, so you can also design by yourself. So here we have our logo. So if you click on if you skip this crop, if you crop this logo, okay, then it will not animate. Okay, so you have to just always skip the cropping. Now change the size of the logo. Okay, so we almost done the header part of the website. Now click on the publish and close this customize page. Okay, now we'll move on to the next step, and in the next step we will just design our footer area. To design that footer area, just go to the dashboard and select header and footer builder. So right now in the previous session we just installed this plugin. Okay, so click on the header and footer, and after that inside it we have to create the new template. Click on this new button, and here you can either skip or just enter your details. Skip this now. After header, just name as a footer, and here we have to select the template type. So our template type will be footer, and here change the default template as the Elementor full width. Okay, so and this is a display condition, so select the entire site. So we have to display the footer on the entire site. Okay, now click on this publish button. Okay, now we have to we have the designing part of the footer, so click on this edit it with Elementor. Okay, close it. So our footer has 3 columns basically. Okay, so this is the first section for the logo, second for the category, and third for the other links. Okay, so let's create those columns. So click on the plus icon. So you have to select the first container, then add the another container. Okay, after that just click on it and set the direction to the row horizontal. Again add the container. Okay, and just right click it and click on duplicate. Okay, sorry, actually we added the extra container, so remove it. Again this is the first container. Okay, now click on it. We already just set the direction to the row, so when we copy the new container, it will automatically convert in the columns. Okay, so right click on it and duplicate. You can see. Okay, again duplicate. Now we have to just keep the first container large as compared to these two. Okay, so click on it and just slightly move the now click on it and change the padding from the top and bottom side. Now keep the top padding as a 40 and the bottom padding as a 40. Okay, now just go to these elements and click right here on site logo. Here you will see a site logo. Now just drag and drop over here. So in case if you select the widget, just make sure the size or the resolution must be full. Okay, now let's smaller our logo. Let's make it smaller. Right now the text is not visible because our background is white and the color of the text is also white. So let's change the color. First of all we have to add an background wallpaper or background image like this. Then we have to add an overlay of this color. Okay, so let's do that. Go select this whole container. Okay, select this section, click this style, click the background tab and select the image and upload. Okay, so right now let's adjust the height of the section. So from here we can adjust the height. So okay, now go to style and we'll adjust this background image as well. So position will be center, attachment default, repeat, no repeat, and display size will be content. Okay, as our image is already bigger. So after that we have to add an overlay effect. So go just collapse this tab and click on the background overlay, click on the background type and select the color. Okay. Now the text of the logo is visible. So let's add some paragraph just beneath of this logo. Now click on these elements and drag the text editor just below it. Okay, and I'm going to just copy this whole data, okay, as it is, and paste inside this editor. Change the color to white. Now let's add the other column. Now click on the just add the heading for the categories. Okay, change to the categories. Change it to H1 and also change the color. Okay, so we have to show the menu of the categories. Okay, to add the menu, we have to just select the element of the menu. Okay, just click on the either you can select this one or this one. So let's add the WordPress menu. After that, select here the category menu. So we already created two type of menus. First one is for the header and the second is for the category. So this is our category menu. Select it and change its layout to vertical. And also we have to just adjust some styling. So, and here you will see a breakpoint, so we have to change it to none. Okay, and here the pointer for the hover, so click on it, none. Now go to the style and we have to just change the color of the okay, and also we have to change the space in between. Okay, so let's okay, it's by default, so let's keep it as it is. And so these elements are not aligned properly with this category title, so let's align it first. Go to select this menu, please go to advanced and just untick these link values together. Okay, so we have to just adjust the margin of the left side, so untick this and just adjust the margin so that it will be aligned with the categories title. Okay, nice. And also adjust the margin from the top side. Okay, now go to the style and also we have to change the hover color. So the hover color will be our main color, then the main color is this type of pink. Okay, and here we have to change the hex code. Just copy it and paste here, and click on this, create a new global color, so that we don't need to frequently copy the hex code. Okay, so just name it as a main color. We can now directly select from this list and just apply. So the middle column is ready. Now just copy this category title and paste inside this third column. Okay, and change it to other links. Also similarly just copy this menu and paste here and change its category menu to main menu. Okay, so rest all things we do not require to change here. Okay, after that we have to, there is a social buttons just below this menu. Go to here and search for the social links or social icons. First of all, just copy or duplicate this title, bring just below the menu, okay, and just bring these social icons just below these links, and align these icons on the left hand side, and make a little bit smaller, and change the margin from the top side. That's it. So our the footer section is ready, and just click on the update button. Let's check is it really working or not. Click on this side button, okay. So our footer part is ready. Now we'll move to the next step, where we will create the single post template. In the next step, we will create a game post template that will remain same for every post. So go to templates, click on the save templates. After that, just click on the all tabs. Here all the templates you have created will be displayed here. So if you haven't created it, don't worry, just scroll to the top, click on the add new template. In the type of this template, just select the single post and give it a name. So let's say game post, and click on the create template. After that, Elementor design interface will open, where you can design your post by your own way. So close all these pop-ups. We don't require any blocks, okay. We'll design the post from the scratch. So the interface will look like this. 3 columns here. In the first, we will have our title of the game. On the first column, we will see show a featured image. The second will be some game details, and then we will show some information of the game, okay. And in the second column, we have to embed the game code, okay. And in the third, we have to show the 2 posts and the ad placement, and just below it you will see play more games. So we have to showcase all the games, okay. So here almost we have to show for 15 to 20 games, okay. So let's design the post. Let's place the game title here first. For that, we just simply drag and drop the post title, instead using the heading, because using this the title will change dynamically according with the post, okay. Now I just set this to the center of the page. Now change color. I will set this to main color, and let's increase the title size and set it to 35 or 32, okay, and change its weight to 800. Next, we want to add the 3 columns here. Simply drag and drop the container just inside this main container. After that, set its direction to the row horizontal. Now again, drag and drop the container inside it, and just duplicate it twice. So here we have our 3 columns. Now here our work is not done yet. We need to convert the units of this width, that is a pixel. We have to change it to percentage. So we have to do this for the rest of the columns. So change it to the percentage, and this is gonna be a main container of these 3 columns. So set its width to 100%, okay, and change its px to percentage, and this column will be 30%, and the last column will be also 30% in width. and set the middle column, that is the first one was a 30, the third one was a 30, then the 30 plus 60, and the remaining will be a 40. So simply use the simple addition formula to adjust them, otherwise it might go beyond the container. After that, just change the content width to full width. Alright, now we'll start designing the columns. We'll start from this first. Add a featured image. Set image resolution to full. So note that there might be a problem because our website has no post yet, so no content will show up here, and directly we will not be able to design this post properly. Okay, so let's first add a post. Just hold this for a while until publishing of the post. Now go to the dashboard and go to posts. After going to post, just click on the add new post, and I'm going to add here a game, that is play 2048 online. Okay, now just keep this template as default template, and set category to puzzle and logic, and add some tags like logic 2048 online game. Okay, and set the featured image. Okay, beside this we don't need to add anything, because we will connect this post with the content of this template design. Okay, so it will be dynamically connect with the ACF and the dynamic tags. So click on the publish. So our post is ready. Now go back to the designing process, and here just save the draft, because we have to do a refresh here once. Click on the refresh. Okay, after refreshing, so here you can see the featured image is showing up. Now reducing its size and set the border radius to 10. So go to style, and let's reduce its size. Okay, and set the border radius to 10. I will shift it to the left side. Below this we need to add text for the game details. For that, just search for the heading and just drag this below the featured image and set the title to game details. Change its color, and we will select it slightly darker, okay, color. Below this we need to add a text editor widget. Okay, go to here and search for the text editor to show the game data, to show the about game. Okay, now we need to add information in 2 columns like this, 3 rows and 2 columns. It may look simple, but it's a bit tricky. Let me show you how I design it. First of all, just add a container here. and set its direction to column vertical. After that, again place the container, set its direction to the row horizontal. Again add the container. Now just click on this container and duplicate it. In the first column we have to add a heading. Now copy this heading and paste here. Right now you can see here some the space is very small and it is like congesting this title, so we have to increase its spaces. So to increase it, just click on the main container and go to advanced and just set the padding to 0. Okay, again inside this first column go to advanced and set padding to 0. Okay, similarly with this second column, go advanced and set padding to 0. Right now we have 0 paddings in the both columns and we have a lot of space saved. Again in the second column add a text editor. Search for the text editor. Right now just change its title to gainer, semicolon, and gainer will be a logic and puzzle. You will see a little space just below this text. Just remove this, go to advanced and untick this margin and just reduce the margin from the bottom side. Okay, after that select this container, okay, and duplicate it and set its title to as a place and set the number of place, let's say 19 million plus. Again one more time just copy and duplicate this. Okay, just undo this. We have to adjust the margin in the top direction from the top side. Select this second row, go to advanced, untick this and adjust the margin. We have to set the lowest margin from the top side. Okay, again just duplicate, set the title as a popularity and it's a 10 lakh something. Plus. Also the gap between the second column is far quite, so let's bring it closer by adding the left margin. So click on this first row second column container and just uncheck this link values, okay, and adjust the left margin. Just reduce it. Okay, we don't have to add apply this on the container, we have to apply this on this widget. Okay, so it's 36. Copy it and paste on other widgets. So let's preview it. Now it's look good. After that you will see there are some margins from the top and the left hand side, so we have to align from the left hand side as well. Okay, so select this main container, not this row, actually main container we are looking for, and go to advanced, uncheck this and set the left margin. This is -30. Copy it and apply it to the rest of the rows. Similarly from the top side. Okay, it's perfect. Now let's set up the second column. As you can see, I have added a subtle shadow with a light pink color. So select the column, go to style, under this border tab just enable this box shadow and select the horizontal to vertical to and adjust the blur. Okay, and also just select the color here, so we have to select here some light pink. Okay, and paste it. Let's spray it. How does it look? We have to adjust some values here. Change the vertical to also opacity. I am going to reduce this opacity. Okay, now let's set the border radius to 15. In this column we will use a shortcut that will embed a link to the game. I will explain this process to you once the design is complete. After that we will implement the technical aspects. In the same way, let's quickly design this third column. So the third column looks like this. Okay, but currently there is another issue in our website. Here you can see the two posts are showing, and we just added right now the single post. Okay, so I will use only single post here, design the single post. In the future we will add the post, then automatically the post will display here and the design will be same. Okay, so let's design this section. Now let me quickly design it. just follow my steps. Okay. Alright, let's add a placeholder for the ad placement. Now go to this search widget, then search for the image, drag and drop just below it, set the image size to full, and select the ad placement. Okay, our main design is ready. Now we have to just design the below section. Inside it we have to give a play more games title, and below it we have to list some game post inside our website. But the problem is that our website have almost no content, so we will not be able to show the contents here. We'll add the content below after creating the post. For now, let's leave it as it is and proceed with the next step. Firstly, let's publish this template. Click on this publish button, then add the condition. Here we can select posts and for all, or if you want to select for a particular category, just select the category and select the category name. Right now we have to show this template or apply this template for all our posts, and it will be applicable to all posts. The benefit of this post template is that we can modify it anytime, and those modifications will apply to all posts simultaneously, indirectly saving us a lot of time. Okay, now click on the save and close. In the next step we will connect this content and the information with the dynamic tags by using SEO, so that all the information will be changed dynamically with the post. To make the website dynamic, we will connect the content of this post using dynamic tags with the SEO fields. Before that, we need to add an SEO fields. We have to create the fields for the content we want to dynamically change. For example, here first, second, third and fourth. Okay, these three fields we have to make the dynamic, and the rest of the things will be static. Okay, so that they can be changed with each post. Right now we need to create 4 fields for these 4 contents. Okay, so let's go to our WordPress dashboard. So here we need an SEO plugin to install the SEO fields. Okay, we forgot to install the SEO plugin. Let's install it first. Okay, type ACF and install this first. Okay, click on the activate button. Okay, our plugin is activated. Now inside this ACF, okay, at the right hand side, okay, just click on the field groups. We need to create our first field group. Okay, just click on the add field group and then type a title for the group. I will write as a post details. Okay, then scroll below, you will see fields. Okay, this is the first field and the first will be for this game details. Okay, then give a label to it, that is game details, and change the field type to text area. Okay, as we know it's a paragraph, so we need a bigger text area, and click on this add field, and the second will be for this gainer. Click on the gainer and field type will be simple text. Okay, again click on the add field, and the third will be for plays. Similarly for the fourth, popularity. Okay, make sure you have post selected here, so that these fields show up in all your posts. Okay, after that click on the save changes. Okay, once done, just go to the post template and let's connect all the fields here. Okay, now let's refresh it first. Okay, so this is the featured image. We don't need to add any dynamic tag over here. Okay, so let's add this field. Okay, click on this dynamic tags, just scroll down below and expand this ACF, select this ACF. Okay, after that click on this setting button, you will see the key and select the key. Okay, so this is the game details. Now click on the game details. After that just select this logic and puzzle. Again do the similar, just scroll down below, click on the ACF field and select the key gainer. Okay, and the third, okay, we have connected all the fields with this content. Okay, now you can see the entire content has disappeared because we haven't added any information to our post yet. Okay, as soon as we add information, it will automatically show up here. So let's add some information in our post and update it. Okay, so go to the dashboard, click on the posts, and this is our demo post. Click on it, Now you can see that some fields have been added to this post, okay, like game details, gainer, place, popularity. Okay, now we need to add content to it. So let's move on our main website. So the main website is, so this is the so here is a website where you can find 100 plus online games to embed for free. Okay, let's select again our 2048. Okay, it comes under the project logic. So this is the 2048 now. Okay, so here you will get all the information of this game. Fill in all the fields with the appropriate data. Okay, so here you will get the title, this is the category, this is the place, and some about this game. Okay, this is only a single sentence. You can expand this by using the ChatGPT. Okay, right now I'm going to copy this content from this website. Okay, then I will show you how it looks in the post template. So copy it, and after that we'll add the gainer, puzzle and logic, the place. So here the plays are 19 million plus, and you can add any popularity like 30 lakh plus. Okay. So here so in this way fill in all the fields with the appropriate data. So now update this post. Again go back to our post template. Here also same, just update this template. Once updated, just refresh the template. Okay, our data has been updated successfully, as you can see here. Okay, so right now here is some designing mistakes. Here we have to change the margin from the top side. So let's increase the margin from the top side. Okay, now it's okay. So in this middle column, so we forgot to add a one. Okay, in this middle column we actually okay, in this middle column so in this middle column we have to show the game interface. To do that just we have to embed the game code, but here in the post we just forget to add a one field. Okay, so this is the very important step again, so let's understand this properly, otherwise the site won't work correctly. So we will add one field from the ACF. Just go to the dashboard, click on the ACF, and here we have to add, just click on this post detail and just click on the add, and here I will type the title as a embed code. Okay, and click on the save changes. Again just go to the post and click on the refresh. So here you can see that another field has been added. Now we will embed the code from the website. So let me show you the website from where we are going to embed all our games. So this is the website, okay, business.gamesout.com. okay, this is the website where we can find 100 plus online games to embed for free. So let's open any game, and you will see all the details here. Just click on any game. Let's click on this 2048, and here you will see the embed. Okay, click on this embed, and you will see the whole code in the iframe. First copy the code. From here I will show you the steps which is very important. Okay, first of all, just you have to open the notepad. Don't copy as it is from the embed code. Just copy this code inside the notepad, into the notepad. Okay, so why I'm doing this? Okay, so let me show you why it's necessary to make some changes inside this code. If I copy as it is from this website and paste into our this template, so for that we need to add an HTML widget. Just search for the HTML and drag and drop here and paste the code. Okay, so you can see that the code is not properly fitted inside our column. So to fit it properly within this column, we need to make changes over here. So the changes are, we have to remove this with property from the code, and set the height to 500 pixel, 500 or 600 pixel. Let's set to 600 pixel. Okay, now copy it and paste inside the HTML. So you can see that after making some modification inside our code, the game fits well in this column. Okay, if I had pasted the code as it is, it would have looked a bit like this. So that's why we made that change. Now let's remove this widget, because we need to add a shortcut widget here. So click on it and just press delete. Okay, now let's remove the widget, and we need a shortcut over here. We will connect it later with an SCB field, okay, that we have created here. Now click on the update, and just go to this post. From here, make sure you have removed the width property from this code. Okay, then copy it, and you have to paste here, but not the iframe. We have to provide this code as a shortcut here. Okay, so to do that, just go to the plugins, and at the very beginning of this video I installed a few plugins. If you remember, there is a one plugin called as a raw HTML snippets, so which currently shows as a, okay, now click on it. So it will get us inside this appearance not tools. Okay, under tools you will see a raw HTML snippets, so which is currently empty. Now let's add a new snippet here. Just click on the please add one here. Just set the name of id. So I will going to show you to add a title as a or id as a 2048 code and just paste the iframe code here. Okay, and then click on the add snippet. I'm gonna click on this raw HTML snippets. Now you can see that a shortcode for your code has been created. Copy this code and just paste into this field. Okay, this is the embed code and this is where you have to fill this shortcut. Okay, and after that just update the post. Once updated, we will connect this field to our post template. So go to the post template and just refresh this page. Right now it is showing blank because we didn't connect it dynamically, okay, with our SEO field. Okay, so just click on the dynamic tag and just scroll below, click on the SEO field, open it and set the key to embed code. You can see that our game is running successfully. Okay, now click on the update. After that just open the post. Okay, it's working in this post as well. So I hope you understand this very crucial and important part of this website. Now let's move on the next step, which is simply publishing the post. I will create another post and show you, and then we will start designing the homepage directly. Just follow along with me. So let's create the single post. Click on the add new post and just go to the site of the game. Okay, and here suppose that I am going to okay, well, let's take the game from the puzzle category. Just aquatic rescue. Okay, so I will show you how to select the game for our website. So this has a 0 place. Let's play this game and check how it looks. If it is in a portrait size, then you can add into our website. Okay, if you see a full screen interface of this game, then just ignore it and find another. Okay, say this tic-tac-toe. Just play the game. So this is also in the full screen, so let's ignore this game. Let's okay, just click on this juicy dash and click on the play. Okay, so the game is in the portrait mode. Just select this game. Okay, now just click on it, its featured image or this thumbnail. Just right click on it and save image as. Okay, and save it. So this image will be our featured image. Now here we got a category and the number of plays. Now we have to just extract this data. So right now if you see here, it's unable to edit or unable to select. So to copy it, just take a screenshot of this image. Okay, just press the print screen and select this portion. okay, and just go to the Google and search for the extract words from image, and here image to text. Okay, click on it and just press Ctrl V. It will take the image automatically from the link. Okay, and click on the convert button. Okay, our text is now ready. Just copy it, and after that, so just go to the, okay, if you see here, it's just a single sentence. Okay, and we need a complete paragraph. So to extend the paragraph, just open the ChatGPT, okay, and just paste. Okay, before pasting, just write some prompts to tell the ChatGPT that make it para. So write this, or rewrite this in single short para. Okay, just open the and just press it. Okay, it's a very short. Let me give him a prompt to extend it, this para, extend it. Okay, okay, now it's perfect. Just copy this and paste into this game details. We forget to add the title of the game. The title is Juicy Dash. Play Juicy Dash online. Okay, now let's fill up this right hand side. It's a category of puzzle and logic. Okay, select the category and type some 2 to 3 tags. Okay, online game, Juicy Dash online game. Okay, and after that we need to set the featured image. So click on this featured image, just upload the parts that we just saved the inside our folder. Okay, so this is the cover. Insert the featured image. After that we don't want this expert. Okay, in case of the SEO, so it's a very mandatory part, so just ignore this right now. Click on this gainer. The gainer is puzzle and logic, and here is the number of places, 90 million, 9.9 millions, and say popularity, just add any random number here. Okay, plus, and we have to add the embed code. So I just told the whole process, so how to embed the code from this game. Okay, just click on the embed and copy the code, paste inside the notepad, and just remove this width property. Okay, and after that just set height to 600 pixel. Okay, after that just copy it, just and open the raw HTML snippet. Here inside the tool, click on the raw HTML snippets, and here click on the add new HTML snippet. Here I will add the title as a, or ID as a Juicy Dash. Just paste the whole code here. After that just click on the add snippet Once added, we will have a shortcut for this, and here juicy dash, just copy this shortcut, okay, and now go to the post. Click in just paste inside this embed, okay. After that we have filled all the necessary data, okay. Now just publish this post, and just click on the view post. In the same manner, you need to add all your posts to your website. I have shown you where you can embed the games on your website, okay. We are starting to design the homepage now. As you can see on this website, I will design the homepage in this way. I will design it exactly like this so that you can understand it well. Now go to the WordPress dashboard, and we have to create a home page where we will start our designing process. So here our home page is not available. Now click on the add new page, type home, and select the template as a Elementor full width. After that, just publish. After publishing, just go back and just open this home page in the new tab, and click on the edit with Elementor. Once it opens, we will have the interface like this. So the very first, there will be a title like this, okay. So just add the heading and make this text in the center, at the center, and we'll add some padding from the top and the bottom side, okay. Just select this main container and go to advanced, and just click or unclick this link and set the top padding as a 40 and the bottom as a 40, okay. Now we'll change this text, copy it exactly and paste here. Now we will change the background color like this. So select this main container, go to style, in the background tab select the main color, okay. After that, just go to this style of this text and change the color to white, and will increase some size as well. So set its size to 60, and also the font weight as an 800 extra bold. So you can see that the font weight of this 1000 plus text is less compared to this text. We can easily write text like this. Let me tell you how to do that. If you want to independently design or style any text like this, so you first need to enclose it in a span. So let me show you how I do it. So select this and we'll enclose this text in the spam tag. So just open, then right here the span, okay. After that, at the end of this text, just enclose this tag in this way. Now inside this span tag, we have to add one property on this CSS, that is a font weight. So we will write here the inline CSS. So write a style equals to double colon and the property that is font weight, semicolon, and we'll keep this as a 300, okay. So the styling will be changed like this. Similarly, you can easily add the property you want to style. Now below it, we have to add this text. So we'll add another heading and make it at the center of this page. I'll change its color and we'll add this text. we'll change some styling property. Go to typography and set it to 30 or 25. Okay, and also we will reduce the font weight. Okay, now below we need to add an Ajax search bar like this. So let's add the title first. We'll duplicate this. Okay, and change its title as a search game, and we'll change its styling also. Go to a typography, we'll change text to 20, and also we'll increase the font size like 600. Okay, and we'll add some margin from the top side. So go to advanced and link this margin and add some margin from the top side. Okay, that's it. To add this search bar, we will just bring this bar from the plugin. So go to this dashboard, WordPress dashboard, and you will remember that I install all the plugins at the beginning of the video. So when you install this plugin, you will get this plugin at the left hand side. Here you will see as a searchlight, and open this. Okay, after that we have to make one change here. So go to layout options and select this underline white. Okay, and after that make the save changes. Now we will have the shortcut for this bar. Here just copy this, go to home and add a shortcut widget. Just drag below it and just paste the code. So the bar will look like this. Now just change its width. Go to advanced and select the width as a custom and adjust the width from here. Okay. Now this sidebar is actually at the left hand side, so we want this at the center. So select this main container and go to layout and select this align items to center. Now it's properly set at the center of this page. Okay, and now we have to add the padding over this search bar. Now click on it, go to advanced, and the padding you can set 10 or more. Okay, according to you. Now we'll change its background color as well. Go to this background, select the background type and change the color from here. Okay, and we will also change this border. So we have to set the border radius as 100. So we will get this nice curve effect on either side of this bar. So our this hero section is ready. Okay, we will add some top margin, or we will reduce some top margin from here. So let's reduce the margin from the top side. Okay, now it looks good. Okay, so now let's design the category section. You can see that when I hover it with the mouse, the card moves upward. This has been manually designed in a very simple way. So let's design it. Go to the home and just add a container. Before it we have to add this kind of title. So select the heading directly and just drag here and make it at the center and type here browse category. Okay, after that we will left some margin temp paddings from the top and the bottom side. 40, and here is also 40, and we'll make some styling inside the typography. First of all, let's change its color to main color, that is pink. Okay, and we'll increase the size. We'll keep it as a 50, 30 or 25. Okay, and we'll change its font as a Roboto condensed, and we'll also increase its font weight to bold. Okay, so that's it. Now just add the container below it and set its direction to row horizontal. Again we have to add the container. Now we will add one widget, that is icon box, inside this container. Okay, just drag this inside this container and remove this unwanted contents. We don't want this anymore here, and we'll change the icon from here. Type the game. If you have any good icon for this type of section or the category, then you can upload from here. I will just use this stock icon. Okay, select this and the insert. After that we will reduce the spacing in between, as you can see here, and also the spacing or the margin from the bottom. So select this box and go to style, and we'll under these icons just keep this spacing as 0. Okay, and also go to advanced, just unlink this margin, and from the bottom we have to reduce some margin. Okay, that's it. Now again go to style, and we have to change the color of this logo or icon. So I will keep the color like this. Okay, and just copy this hex code, and also we have to set the color for this title like this icon. Okay, so open this and just paste the hex code. Okay, now so we have to add the shadow. Okay, and this kind of hover effect. So select this container. Okay, go to advanced or style, just select the advanced. First of all we will just add the box shadow. Okay, just go to style, click on add border, and select the shadow, and set the 2 and also vertical 2, and we'll reduce its opacity like this, and we'll add a blur effect. Okay, in this way, and just set the border radius to 10. Now we will add a hover effect. Okay, so for that just go to advanced, we have to go under this transform, and you will see here offset, but we have to change the offset under this hover tab. So select this hover tab and click on this offset, and just set the offset value to -5. So when you just hover your mouse to this container, our card will move upward. Okay, now we have these 5 categories. Okay, so we have to just duplicate this container 4 times. Okay, so let's do that. Just select this and right click, duplicate. Okay, first, second, third, and this fourth. Now we will add the title of the category, and also we will set the link of that particular category. Okay, now go to this dashboard. Under this post, just select the categories, and the first category is action. So copy the link of this action and select it. Just change the title as an action, and also paste the link. So from these settings you can either open this window in the new tab, okay, when anyone clicks here, or you can just keep opens this in the same window. So I will keep this exact as it is. Okay, after that we have the second category as the adventure. Now set the title as an adventure, and also we'll copy the link of this adventure category. We'll do the same in the rest of these categories. Okay, so we have created our 5 category cards inside this category section. Now update this home page and let's preview how it looks. Okay, so you will see some posts that I have designed in this website, because we haven't set the static page as our home page, okay, inside the home page setting. So that's why the post by default it set as a post, and this is why the posts are visible in this website or the home page. Okay, so let's change these settings from the customize. Okay, so go to this, just click on this customize. We just have to set our home page as a static page. Okay, and under this home page settings, here we have to select a static page and select the home page as a home and just publish it. Just close the tab and again open your website. So all the posts are gone. In the next step we will design this kind of slider. Okay, to design this kind of slider, we actually will bring this slider directly through a plugin. And one thing you have to note that make sure to design this page with a good layout and design. So you must have 20 to 25 posts inside your website. Okay, so take care of it. So now go to the WordPress dashboard and go on to this unlimited elements. Open this. Here you will see many widgets inside the widget sections. Okay, now we will go inside the widgets. So you will see many widgets inside here. Okay, with a different category. So now we just have to set or select this post widget, and you will see this post carousel light. So now we just need to install the post this. Okay, so let's install it. Click on it. Okay, it is already installed. If it is not installed at your end, so you can easily install this post widget. Okay, go to your home page. Okay, where we started designing our home page. Okay, our interface is now going to open. After that we have to search the post carousel here. So search post. You will find this at the top of the list. This is the post carousel light. Okay, so first of all we will just copy this title. So I will just paste inside this consider instead creating the new content. Okay, and we'll left some margin from the top side. After that we will just drag this post carousel. Okay, now we need to make some changes to make it look like this design. First of all, we only need to keep the title and the category, remove all other things. So okay, first of all here you have to just uncheck some unnecessary elements. So like we have to just keep here the title and the category. So here in this layout section we have to keep the arrows, we have to keep the dots, we have to keep the category and just hide the dates. Okay, this intro and this button. Okay, now we have to just we have to change the background color of this content, and also we have to reduce the spacing from the bottom side. Okay, so go to the style. There you will find all the styling options. Okay, now here in the contents, so here you will see the minimum height, so we will reduce it. Okay, now we will change the background color of this card. So to change the background color, here you will see the content background. Okay, inside this content, so set it to white. After that we have to give a nice shadow effect. So to give the shadow effect, just go inside this image, and here you will see the box shadow. Okay, this is not the box shadow that you have to give. Let's check this an item. Okay, sorry. So you have to just enable this item shadow. Okay, and set these to 2, and vertical also 2, and we have to just reduce the opacity of the color. Okay, nice, and add some blurriness. Okay, only 3 posts are visible in this slider, so we have to make sure the 4 slides must be visible. So to change that, just select this slider and go to content. After that you will see the number of items, so change it to 4. Okay, now you can see that there is an overlapping in between these indicators and this slider area, so we have to just adjust the margin from the bottom side. Okay, so to do that, just go to style and go to content. Okay, here you will see the content padding from the top side, from the bottom side, so we have to just increase it. Okay, okay, not padding, we have to decrease the margin of this card. Okay, so go to image. Okay, and not the image, this is an okay, item margin, sorry, this is the item margin. Just set the bottom item margin to, okay, just reduce the item margin so that the overlapping will go away. Okay, that's it. Now it looks good. After that you will see that the image ratio is not properly set. Okay, so let's go to set this, go to image, and there you will see the height, so reduce this height, and also the title are much bigger, okay, than this, so we have to just reduce the title size as well. Okay, so go to title and go to typography. Inside we have to just set 20 or less, let's say 18, and we'll increase the boldness. Okay. After that we have to just reduce the space in between this image and also this title. Okay, so go to image and you will see the image spacing here. Okay, here is now the image spacing. We will just go to category. Here is the category spacing, it is already lower, so we will just okay, the spacing and also item. Okay, okay, So you can see that there are a lot of style options are available with this carousel widget. So you can design this widget according to you. Okay, so almost we done the styling of this carousel like this. Okay, now we have to just filter out some post from here, like these posts don't have the image, so and it is not looking good at this area. Okay, so we have to just filter out this post, and we will add another. Okay, so go to this general, and you will see post query. And we have to just click here for the manual selection. Okay, so I will put the post from manual. Okay, okay, that's it. Let me use some margin from the top side from the title. Let's say 40, and this is also 40. Okay, great. So in this way you can give your website a polished look using this plugin. Below this we need to show an ad placement like this. Okay, so this is very simple. Just add an image widget over here. After that, just select the and we'll keep some padding from the top and bottom side, like 20, and bottom also 20. That's it. Below it you will see the newly added games. So basically these are the posts. So we need to design this ourselves. This is an Elementor post widget. We need to do it in the same way we design this slider. Okay, so let's do it. First you need to search the widget, that is the post. So these are the posts. So let's drag and drop. First of all, we will add a title. Just copy it and paste below. Okay, now just drag the post widget. So here the post that we have on our website. Okay, now here the number of columns are 4 and the number of rows are 3. So we have to just set the number of columns, that is 4, and the number of rows are the 3. That means we have to change this post per page is 12. Okay, like this. And after that we have to remove all of the unnecessary elements, like this date, comments, and read more button. So let's do that. And first of all, just change the resolution of the image to full and adjust the image width. Okay, or keep this as it is. Okay, don't change. After that keep the title and remove this excerpt. Here you have to close the date and the comments, and after that just remove this read more button. Okay, and we have to just center this title to the image of the post. Okay, so go to the style, and here you will see. Okay, now just reduce the size of this title. So go to content We will also change the color a little bit. Now go to typography and change the text, that is 18, 17. Okay, now we have to just add the shadow like this, and we have to make the edges of this post curve. Okay, that means we have to apply the border radius. So we just go to style. Okay, and click on the box. After that, just enable this box shadow. Okay, give the horizontal to vertical to. Okay, after that, just reduce the opacity. Okay, nice, and give the effect. After that, we have to just add the border radius. Here you will see the border radius. Just go to and add 10. Okay, and you can see that there are very less space available just below this or at the bottom of the title. So let's increase it. So go to box, and you can also just increase the padding from the bottom side. Okay, that's it. There is a one post that have no featured image, so here is the one. So let's remove it. Go to query, and here just exclude play 2048 online. Okay, select here the term, and okay, do the term, just click on the manual selection, and here play 2048. Okay, so it will be excluded from here. Okay, it's still there. Actually I have added it to play 2048 online post, so that's why it's happening. Okay, one have featured image and another don't have. Okay, our posts are ready. Now below it we have to design 3 column layouts like this. To create this, first we need to add 3 columns of equally. There we will design the post. So let's add the container. So just click on this plus icon, and here you will find the 3 column container. So open it. After that, just give some padding from the top side, that is 40, and also from the bottom side. Okay, now you will see you can see that there are unequal columns in the width. Okay, so we have to make it equally. So we will just divide the, so right now okay, these are this is the 25%, this is the 50%, and this is the 25%. So we have to make equally in width. Okay, so when we divide the 100 by 3, then it will be 33.33. okay, so we will set 33.3% to each of these columns. So set it 33.33. okay, now these columns are equally distributed. Okay, so just right now I will now design this whole post. Okay, so already we just did for this. I will copy these post and will paste here. and we'll style it according to this. Okay, now here just change the column to first. Okay, keep this skin as a classic, and the number of post will be 4, and you will see one image position we have to change it to the left. Okay, and also just change the image width. Like this. Okay, and we can set the image ratio as well, and we'll just adjust the space in between the row. Okay, and here you will see the text are in the center, so keep it from the left hand side, and we will just add some padding from the top side. So go to box and just add the padding from the top side. Okay, sorry, we have to add the content padding. Okay, like this, and also just give some margin to this widget. Okay, go to advanced and give a margin to 5, or you can increase to 10. Okay, and in the second and third column just we have to copy it and paste. Again just select this main container, go to advanced, and you will see the margin. Just set margin to, or you can set this padding to so our posts are ready. Okay, now we have to add the title to each of the column. Okay, so just copy this title, remove the margin from the top side, copy again it, just paste here and paste here. Okay, so first column is for the adventure, action and sports. Adventure, this is the sports, sorry, this is the action, and this is sports. Okay, so according to the title we need to change the post accordingly. So for that we have to filter out the post, okay, by the categories. Right now they all are looking same, so select this post and go to content. At the below you will see the query. Here in the first we have to set the category as an adventure. Okay, so all the posts that belongs to the category adventure will be visible here. Okay, so select here include by the term and just select the category, that is adventure. Okay, and in the second column we have to change the category to action. And similar with the third column. Okay, now all the posts are different from each category. So let's update this home page. So finally we just finished our home designing. Now we'll move on to create the category page template just like we did for a single post. So let me show you. Okay, so when we click on this category, the post will display on a well designed page. Okay, currently in our created website. So after clicking on it, just wait. Okay, a classic design appears. Okay, so this is a very boring and unattractive one, so which we want to convert into this modern design. So this will be ready in just few steps. So let's go to the WordPress dashboard first, and after that go to our templates. Or you can directly go to the theme builder. Okay, so this time I'm going to the theme builder, and here you will find the archive. Just click on it. Okay, after that just click on this add new button. And an interface will appear where we can design our template. Just close this window. We have to just design it from the scratch. Now we'll go to our home page and copy this post as there and paste them here, so that our post design is the same everywhere. We'll add a padding at the top side, which is 40. Okay, or just increase it to 130, and also from the bottom side we will add it 50. After that we need to add a title like this. So just open it and search for the archive title. Archive title is the title that dynamically changes, okay, according to the category that we clicked or selected. Just like here when we click on the action games, okay, so automatically predefined text will visible here like category, and there the name of the category will appear. Okay, so the action will appear as we did not write the games inside our category titles. Okay, so how we did this, I will explain this later. So go to our templates archive, set it to the center of this page. So let's change its color, and also will increase its size. Let's say 35. Okay, after that add some boldness to the title. Okay, now we have to make one setting in this post pages. So select this post and go to content. We have to keep everything as it is. So already we did the designing process on our home page. Okay, so we have to set the query. The query is like that. Here you will see the source as a post. So we have to just select here the current query. It means that when we drive a current query like action, then the post under the action will be visible. Okay, now okay, so our page is ready. We don't have to add any sidebar here. If you want to add the sidebar, you can just edit it by yourself. Okay, so at the very end we can also add the pagination. So here you will see the pagination is by default none. Okay, so you can add the number. So also okay, and also you can limit the page, that is 5, 10, etc. Okay, so right now I will just keep it as a none, and after that we will publish this template. and we have to set the condition for the all archive and click on the save and close. So let's preview website once again. Let's open a category and see. You can see our posts are displayed nicely here, and the category title is also showing up, but I told you that here only the action is showing, but we need action with games. So this is very easy to okay, to implement this. Just go to your template, and here you will see the archive title is selected, and after that you just open this setting icon, and here in the advanced we have to add after. Okay, so right here games, and there we have to just left some space in between. Okay, that's okay. Okay, it's done. Now update it and again reload this page. So this is all we need to do. Have fixed it. So in this way you can independently or individually design the post templates for the either for the page or either for the post. Okay, so this was our online gaming website. You need to follow each of my steps carefully. I will provide all the important links through the blog, from where you will get all the downloadable content. So I will meet you with an informative video tutorial. For now, goodbye, take care.